everyone, welcome to a new video. If you're new here, my name is Linda and I do post weekly about fashion, so if you're into that sort of thing, please do consider subscribing to my channel so we can be friends. And if you're not new here, then welcome back. Today's video, hopefully you're not tired of unboxings by now, but it is an unboxing, and like a true unboxing. I have not peeked inside at all. I have 3 items that I bought from Gucci that I'd love to share with you guys, so let's get straight into today's video. So I have the box right here. I already went ahead and opened it, but I have not peeked inside. I figured we would do this part together. So, big box. Backstory on this is that I met this lovely sales associate, and she and I, so I met her through a friend, and so we were texting, and I was like, hey, if you get any hats at Gucci, like, let me know, please, because I kind of want to get more, like, baseball hats, or just any hats, because, you know, sometimes you have a bad hair day. And so she was texting me a few things that she had, so I ended up buying 3 items total, and I was so shocked with how fast the shipping was. It was literally 1 to 2 days max and free, so I was like, wow, this is incredible. She was so fast and on it too, and eBay, they just send you an invoice, so I was able to pay her so quickly. I was shocked. Like, it's pretty good technology, because some of the other brands that I buy from, it's a little bit more complicated. Like, you fill out a form and all this. Like, this was pretty straightforward. I loved it. So let's just get straight into the box. I have my Gucci receipt for the 3 items. I'll just tell you the price as I show you the items. And okay, item number 1, I don't know what it is yet. Oh, okay, this one's a hat. So it came in this little dust bag. So cute. I think my English is always so bad these days. So I feel like this hat is like very casual. Is it supposed to look like that? Yeah, it's like a rough textured kind of look. And I don't know, it just seemed cool, and also the price point, like, wow, that was great. So here is the hat. It's kind of like, it looks like just this like elastic band. I got the size small. They didn't have too many sizes left. And let me try it on. I have makeup on, but for the purpose of this video, I will get a little bit of makeup on my hat. I guess my head's a little bit bigger than I thought, because okay, so here's the hat. I like it. It's like casual but fun, because my other one was, I don't know, more sporty. This one, I love it. Oh my god, this is so cute. This is the size small. It does feel like a little snug, and it's not adjustable. It's just got like a little elastic in the back to stretch it a little bit, but it doesn't have a whole lot of stretch. But like, I love it. Obviously I'm not gonna wear it like that, but yeah, this is pretty cute. I like it. Purchase number 1, very, very happy with it. Yay. Okay, put that back away. For my next trick, kidding, not pulling a hat. Oh my god, my hair. When were you guys gonna tell me I had hat hair? Okay, so next item. Ooh, so she showed me some bum bags, and I don't own any. I have been wanting one so bad. I figured the next time I go to Europe, I'm gonna get the Louis bum bag, if they have it. I know it's gonna be like impossible to find, and I think someone said it's being discontinued, so I might never get it, but hey, let's just hope. But then Gucci had some bum bags, and ta-da! Ooh, first time I'm seeing it too, by the way. So this one actually matches my other hat perfectly. I don't have it here, but it's pretty much this exact same like style, but on a hat, and also in black. And the size I got was, I think, 85 or 90, because you actually pick like your, you know, whatever belt size you want. And I wanted it to be a little bit bigger than I am, because I don't just plan on wearing it as like a belt bag. I also want to wear it like, you know, like that. They had 2 sizes available. One was a lot bigger. I don't know how many sizes there are in general, but at the outlet they had 2 sizes. This one, which is like the smaller one, I guess, and then one that was like double the size, and it was only a little bit more, like 100 more or something, but it just felt like it was too big, and I was like, I feel like I'm gonna get tired of that. Like, I wanted something a little bit more compact, so I could either wear it like that, or obviously I could wear it as an actual like belt bag. And I just thought this is so cute and casual, and it actually fits like a decent amount. I'll show you with the next one. So the last item is the exact same item. Ooh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Same bag. Lots of tissue paper in there, but in white. Ta-da! Look at the beauty. Look at the beauty. No, it didn't freeze. That was me just being very still, admiring it through the viewfinder. Yes, my dog is barking in the background or squeaking or something. This is so cute. So I think I forgot to mention, but the black one's actually for my mom and the white one's for me. I ordered one in different colors and I was like, I'll just pick which one I like more when they arrive. But I already kind of knew I was going to gravitate towards the white. And my mom, Coco, how rude. And my mom, she usually gets a little bit more nervous wearing white, even if she likes it. So I figured she's going to want the black one anyway. So I didn't even ask her. I just ordered her the black one. And now that, like, she was looking at them online, like pictures online, because obviously like this just arrived. She was like, you know what, I'm glad that you gave me the black, because knowing me, I'll end up liking the white but not wearing it, because I've seen her do that. She'll buy like these really cute white bags and she's like, oh no, I'm gonna stain it. Never ends up wearing it. So I'm keeping the white one and I like it. So the difference is also in the belt part. We got the same size belt part. And so the one for the white bag is blue and red, and then the one for the black is green and red. Like, I think this one's the more stereotypical Gucci colors. But yeah, they're so adorable. And they're like super casual. Like, I mean, I feel like can you make a fancy bum bag? I don't know. I mean, I feel like that's just kind of what they are, is casual bags. But this is super cute. I really did consider getting the big one, but I just feel like I'm not as likely to wear it. Like, almost any time I get a bigger bag, no matter how much I promise myself I'm going to wear it, I rarely ever do. So I feel like this size is seriously like the best size for me. If you look at like all my other bags, everything's pretty small. Like, this is another like whitish bag that I have. This is the Croisette by Louis Vuitton in the Damier Azur. And I feel like this size is also pretty perfect for me. So I just kind of gravitate towards small bags. It does fit quite a bit from what I was told. Obviously, like, now I'll find out for sure. So I asked a lot of questions. Booklet in there. Okay. My phone. It's the iPhone Pro? Was it 12 Pro? Not the maxi one though. Like, not that like huge one. As you can see, it's like the normal size. And so I think my dog just closed the door, or that's creepy. Anyway, so my dog really closed the... I'll go investigate that later. But anyway, so the phone does fit in here. So that was like my main concern, that I kept asking the sales associate if my phone fit in there, and it does. And it looks like I could still fit a lot more things in there. It's not bulky at all in there. And I do have like a big bobble on the back, which usually gets in the way of things. But no, it didn't interfere at all. Oh, I love it. This is so exciting. My mom's gonna love hers. Oh my gosh, like, this is so cute. I can't wait. I'm gonna tell her, like, because I have also like the matching pouch to this. It's just like, you know, a little square pouch, and it has the logoing exactly like this. I feel like I'm kind of collecting like this style right now. I don't know what it's called, but whatever. Maybe it's just like the traditional or something. No idea. But I've been buying a lot of... It's the third item I have that just has like this logoing, like this here, and then the writing like the way it is. The hat, this, and the pouch. But I absolutely love it. So that wraps up today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing, and I will catch you all for the next video. Everyone have a nice day. Bye! I realized I said I would tell you guys the prices, and I didn't. So the prices are, the hat was $125 US, and the pouches, not the pouches, the bum bags were each $425 US. So in case you were wondering, luckily I remembered not too long after I stopped recording. So anyway, that wraps up today's video. Bye everyone.